Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the Gucci Ophidia GG Messenger bag in the classic tan and beige PVC canvas. If you're considering picking this up or just want to know how it holds up in everyday use, you're in the right place. So design and materials. So first off, let's talk about the design. This bag features Gucci's signature GG Supreme canvas in beige and tan, which is coated for durability. It's actually made of PVC coated canvas, not leather, which means it's lighter, more resistant to scratches and also easier to maintain. The bag is trimmed with brown leather, and of course you've got that iconic green and red web stripe right across the front, along with the vintage style sort of inlay there with the GG. So size and functionality. The size on this messenger bag is really practical. It's compact but still holds all the essentials. Think your phone, wallet, keys, small tablet, even a slim notebook inside. You get I'll show you, inside is a cotton lining, linen lining, one main compartment and a zippered pocket for organization. And on the outside, you've got easy access front zipper pocket, which is perfect for travel, documents. Sorry, on the other side of the bag, on the left hand side to the rear. So just had padding in there to keep its shape. As you can see, zipper, then you've got your two pockets there, plenty of space, more than enough. And it's quite a slimline bag too, as you can see. Really slim, while still maintaining the volume to hold all of your daily essentials. Timeless bag. I love that leather trim. Perfect. The size is very compact. It's a little smaller than the black messenger bag I have reviewed. So comfort and wearability. The adjustable the adjustable leather strap makes it comfortable to wear crossbody or on the shoulder. The PVC canvas keeps it lightweight compared to an all leather messenger, so you don't feel weighed down. Plus, the material is resistant to rain and splashes, so it's a good everyday option without stressing about babying it or having to worry about a little bit of water getting on it accidentally. It's a lot more durable. So style and versatility. So in terms of styling this bag, it's super versatile. The tan and beige GG canvas is neutral, so it goes well with pretty much anything, from casual jeans and a tee to a more dressed up smart casual look. It has that vintage Gucci vibe but still feels modern, especially with the Ophidia line being so popular right now. This bag is actually discontinued from Gucci, so you can't purchase it anymore, and the price of them are steadily increasing. So pros and cons. Let's quickly break it down with the pros and cons. So the pros of this bag are it's lightweight, durable PVC canvas, iconic Gucci design, easy to maintain, it's a versatile size and quite slim compared to some other bags. The cons, it's still at a luxury price point for a coated canvas bag. And if you're someone who prefers leather over canvas, it might not feel as premium in the hand, but honestly, for daily use, the durability wins out. I also like to maintain my bags with the coating, with the protective coating on the canvas and the leather. So I'll make a detailed video into how to go about doing that if you want to look after your messenger bag for years to come and not have any not really see any major wear and tear from daily use. So stay tuned for that video. So as I touched on earlier, this bag is currently discontinued. However, you can purchase it both from our website and anywhere online that it's reputable, that supplies this bag. Generally you'll find it secondhand due to it not being produced anymore, so you could probably pick one up for around 1,200 Australian, 1,500 Australian dollars secondhand, authenticated perhaps. All our bags come authenticated with a certificate. So overall, the Gucci Ophidia GG messenger bag in beige tan PVC canvas is a great mix of practicality, style and heritage. If you're looking for a lightweight, everyday designer bag that has that instantly recognizable Gucci look, this one's definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more bag and watch reviews and lighter reviews, and drop a comment if you've got any questions about this bag, or if you own one, let me know how it's holding up for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.